Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Lim Yoon-ah's fortune analysis. I have received a request from overseas YouTube subscribers about Lim Yoon-ah's fortune, which is so pretty. Do you think there's a pretty face in her fortune? Let's analyze it together. The letter referring to Yoon-ah's self is a pretty flower. Flowers like to be gathered together. It reminds me of the girls' generation. The letter meaning honor in fortune also means neat discipline, so it plays a role in making pretty faces. Yoon-ah has two letters that mean discipline right next to the letter that point to her. But the words that mean honor and discipline mean man to women. There are two letters that mean a man. One is in conflict, the other is in union. First, the characters that collide are men who shine like jewels. When she meets a handsome man who shines itself, he collides with Yoon-ah. It means that there will be occasional conflicts of opinion with Yoon-ah. But the words that unite are being followed by Yoon-ah because she likes him better. He is the kind of person who demands the sacrifice of Yoon-ah. Therefore, Yoon-ah is the one who has to choose a good man among many people. I hope she will meet a good man in the year of good fortune so that she can meet someone who shines like a jewel and likes Yoon-ah. Also, these letters mean self-management, so Yoon-ah is slim and pretty. In Yoon-ah's fortune, there are letters that have pink squares. It is rare to have such a collection of words of one disposition. It's a very good structure. It means artistry and Yoon-ah's self-expression. It means that she has the temperament to show her skills as an actor and singer, and that she is given the opportunity. There are very high utilization. Being able to use one's energy well also means that the energy output is good, and therefore there is no time for energy to accumulate in Yoon-ah, so she has to have a slim and pretty face. If the letters that represent the discipline described in the previous picture and the words that represent the output of free energy are powerful, they have great creativity. The ability to see the back of things is outstanding. And because she speaks very well, she may have to save her words a little bit. Yoon-ah's control of discipline and powerful existence is used as her creativity, which makes it creative. But sometimes she has to suppress it because it can appear to be ahead of the times. I looked at Yoon-ah's beautiful fortune today. She was very creative. I hope she will continue to improve and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.